Hey, I'm Morgan Milne. I'm a horticulture specialist, and I'm here to give you some planting ideas for your vegetable boxes. You're going to want to stick to some crops that are going to give you the highest return in a small amount of space, such as tomatoes, peppers, pole beans. You're going to want to avoid spreading crops like watermelon or any type of a melon. In fact, you're going to want to avoid cucumbers, stuff like that. You're going to avoid root crops as well in a garden box. Many people choose to use garden boxes for herbs because herbs are pretty compact growing. You get a lot of material out of an herb, and it's really easy to manage herbs. Garden boxes are good for crops that you would get a high amount of return off of, such as tomatoes, pole beans, any kind of a bush bean maybe. And a lot of herbs that people would stick to are, say, basil, thyme, parsley, cilantro, dill, just to name a few. And you can plant those pretty closely together. They're not going to grow like crazy. Those are some ideas for planting your vegetable boxes from Morgan Milne.